just doesn't understand data. It actually generates new data, like how GPT generates new text, how DALI model generates new images. So if I have to explain it in simple terms for you, the difference between AI and Gen AI. When we talk about AI, the traditional one, it is like a judge. It looks at the data, it evaluates, and it classifies, and it makes a prediction. It passes a judgment. That's what traditional AI does. But if you look at Gen AI, it is like an artist. It can create new things. Of course, if I have to put it in simple terms, it is also a form of prediction. That is, you may see it as generation, but actually it is predicting a sequence of words, a sequence of sentences. That's what Gen AI is actually predicting. On a lighter note, I can say Gen AI is more like the normal AI on steroids. With huge training, with amazing computational power, instead of predicting one single word, it can predict the complete phrase. That's what Gen AI does. But of course, it looks like generating the entire content from the scratch. Now let's look at some examples, the real world applications of how Gen AI works. When you talk about marketing, in the world of marketing, you can generate blogs, you can create social media posts, you can create advertisements, all by writing a prompt. You write a prompt, you'll be able to generate any of these. In the world of customer service, I can create an AI chatbot without me training the model from the scratch. That's how we do it in traditional AI. In Gen AI, the model is pre-trained and you can just fine tune the model with your document, with your FAQ document, and you can make the chatbot respond to your queries. If you talk about HR, job descriptions you can generate right from the scratch. You just have to write a prompt, generate a job description for numeric features. That is the base layer. On top of which you can apply algorithms to derive patterns from it. And that's what is called as machine learning. Deep learning. This handles pattern recognition in unstructured data. And this whole concept of deep learning is powered by neural networks, artificial neural networks. NLP, natural language processing, it focuses on understanding and generating language. Anything that is available in the form of text, like emails, chats, everything. NLP is all about text analytics. It uses linguistics and deep learning frameworks like RNN to decode the language and the knowledge residing in the text. Then we have computer vision, the visual recognition. That is, it enables machines to process and understand any data which is available in the form of images or videos. This uses CNNs, the convolutional neural networks, a powerful deep learning framework to learn and understand images layer by layer. Then we have speech AI, which is audio analytics. The focus is on identifying intelligence from the audio data. It lets machine handle the spoken language, combining audio signal processing and NLP together. Hello and welcome back. In this session, we are going to discuss about imagine trying to bake a bake. Imagine trying to bake a cake with no ingredients, that is data, nothing gets made. With no oven, like compute, nothing bakes. With no recipe, that is algorithm, it may flop or burn. Same with AI. All three must be well designed and aligned. Now let us understand why it matters to you. If you are a business user, what are things that you should keep in mind when we talk about data, compute, and algorithms? Let's say if you are a marketer, remember